So children, you know we have done capital letter P. Okay. This is capital letter P. Okay. Now today we will welcome small letter P. So let's sing Little Land song and welcome small letter P. Are you all ready? Come on, let's sing together.
Little land, little land, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a mouse in a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to little land.
So children, this is Mummy P. Okay, we have done na Mummy P. Teacher have taught you the formation also of capital letter P. This is Mummy P. Mummy P is also called as capital letter P. So we have done with capital letter P. Now today teacher is going to teach you small letter P. Okay, so today we have welcome small letter P. Okay, and the sound, you know what is the sound that letter P makes, children? Come on, teacher told you na letter P makes P sound. Letter P makes P sound. Okay. So you have to remember this. And teacher has posted the special song also. Are you listening? Are you trying to sing? So that also you have to listen again and again, children. If you listen, then you will be able to sing. Okay. And how was the story? Did you like the story? Peter Puppy loves to play. And I showed you na. See, this is Peter Puppy. So today teacher is going to do the recap of the story again. And you know what is the meaning of recap? Recap means to revise. So teacher is going to revise the story again. And you know why teacher is revising the story again? Because after this teacher is going to ask you the question. So you have to listen to the story very carefully. Only if you listen, children, you will be able to give me the correct answer. And the answer should be in complete sentence. Okay. So you have to follow the instruction that teacher is giving you. So whatever teacher says, you have to listen and follow. Okay. So let's do the recap of the story. Come on. The title of the story is Peter Puppy Loves to Play. Everyone, let's meet Peter Puppy. Come on, let's meet Peter Puppy and say hi. Hi, he's saying hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, all the intelligent and smart children. He is perfect pal. You know what's the meaning of pal? Pal means friend. See, he is a lovely friend. So, pal means friend. He is the sweetest pet in Letterland. Sweetest means, see, means very nice, well behaved. Okay. He is very playful and he has pretty floppy ears that droop down. Can you see, children? See, droop means falling down. See, he has lovely ears. Okay. His ears are perfect for patting. You know what's the meaning of patting? When you also do something very nice, your mommy and daddy pat you like that. So pat means doing this way on your back. Okay. Let's pretend to pat the puppy now. Now see, teacher is patting. Can you see? Teacher is patting. So you also try and pat yourself, children. How you will pat yourself? This way. Okay. Peter Puppy loves playing in the park. Wow. He loves to play in the park. Can you see? This is the park and this is the swing. He likes to splash in the park pool, and when it rains, he is very pleased because then he can paddle in the puddle. See? Can you see? This is called a puddle. Puddle means a small pit where when it rains, the water is collected in that. Okay, that is called a puddle. See? Even small children now, when it rains and when there is puddle, what they do, they jump and splash the water. Yes, even when I was small, I used to do that. Children, do you do that? If you don't, you can try. Okay. When Peter Puppy runs into words, you will hear him panting. Pup, pup, pup. Okay. Look at these penguins. They have popped out of the park pool to have some fun on the slide. Wow, can you see them, children? Penguins. They have come out of the pool and they are playing on the slide. And you know the children, penguins, they love to stay in cold place. And at the zoo also, you can see the penguins are kept there. So you can go there and see them there at the zoo. Okay, children? Peter Puppy loves parties and picnics. Wow, even I love to party and picnic. Now when the school will start, we all will plan and go for a picnic. Okay? Dipali teacher, me and all our lovely smart children will go for a picnic. Okay? He and his pals eat potatoes, peaches, pears, plums, pineapples, pasta and pizza and play a game called Pass the Parcel. Do you know this game, children? Pass the Parcel? It is a very lovely game. One day teacher will plan and will play this game. Okay, children? They also paint many pictures when they are together. Wow. Now in the art class also you draw and you paint. So they also do. The friends when they meet they do this. They draw and they paint. Isn't it lovely, children? Peter Puppy and his friends love colors. Can you guess their favorite colors? Can you guess, children? Now my favorite color is blue. And what is their favorite color? Can you guess, children? Okay, I will tell. Pink and purple are their favorite colors. Wow. Pink and purple are their favorite colors. One day, Peter Puppy was playing in the playground. See, this is the playground. Playing in the playground when a pigeon flew over his head. Oh my, can you see? Pigeon. The pigeon had tiny streaks. Streaks means lines of, okay, streaks means a line, okay. Pink and purple color on his head. Peter Puppy started chasing the pigeon. He was looking up, up, up. See, when you look up and walk, what will happen? Think, children, what will happen? What must have happened? Can you think? And he was looking up, up, up in the sky and he was running behind the pigeon. And you know after that what happened, children? Can you think what must have happened? Come on, think and tell me. He did not see the person standing. You also, if you don't look the person coming in front and you look up and walk, what will happen? You will dash with that person, na? So he pushed him down. The policeman came running to help. Wow. See, a policeman was standing and when he saw that puppy dash the man, the policeman came to help them. He pulled Peter Puppy up and the person he had dropped down too. They were both hurt and were in lot of pain. So, what happened, children? When he was looking up and running, he dashed with a person and both of them they fell down and got hurt. So, this is just not right. Okay? Always when you are walking, you have to see down. You have to look and walk in front. Okay? Any vehicle is coming, any person is coming. So, you have to be very careful when you are playing, when you are walking. Okay? So, Peter Puppy also learnt a lesson. Peter Puppy learnt a big lesson. What lesson do you think it was? What according to you, children, what lesson Peter Puppy learned? Can you tell me? So think, listen to the story, children. Think what lesson he learned. And it is lesson for you, for me also. Okay? And next time, whenever we are walking on the, we must always walk on the footpath. When we are playing, we should be very careful. Yes or no? Or we have to look up and run. Is it safe? No, it is not safe. We may also dash with some person or a vehicle and we may get hurt. Yes or no, children? So this is a lesson that we have learned. Now Peter Puppy also have learned a lesson. Okay, children? So you can give me your answer. Okay, children? Now you listen to the story. Okay?